My name is Olga. I'm from WA. I've been in high risk for about 18 months now. I worked in mining industry, so I'm an engineer. My child came along at the same of the downtime in mining industry, so I was, cutting the story short, I was redundant during my maternity leave. For me to feel fulfillment for myself personally, regardless of anything else, I just needed to have an income. I came across not a high risk to begin with, some other property course. And roughly at the same time, I actually heard Ian speak for the first time, and the one strategy just stuck with me straight away. I could see little step by step how I can move from rentrepreneur in a couple of years, creating that income which I didn't have. I was so scared. I got lots of support from the WA group. I pretty much was consistent. I'm getting positive cash flow, about 1,000 a month. Then I'll kind of continue with the same intensity, look for my second one. The projected, it's a 1,000 a month as well, a positive cash flow. So the positive cash flow gives me two things. It gives me freedom to travel, gives me the time with the family I can spend. I can't describe it, it just makes me sick, sort of, how in a positive way, sort of in my stomach, sort of I feel so happy. It's an amazing feeling.